I need to get that clean. That is coated with months worth of sweat. Um, that's it. Still some. Fine. Fine. But there's like something. Just a tiny wee bit right in there. We're talking sniffer dog stuff. I just mean kind of, pond sweat kind of. It's no BO. It's no shite. It's no. Spunk, pish. It's just that. But is it? I can't actually smell it. No, can't smell it. It must have been a phantom smell. So that's now cleaned with flash. Stuff that's meant for like fucking worktops, kitchen worktops and that. And then cleaned with washing up liquid. So it's all hunky dory. Absolutely fine. And then I wash my hands, of course.